it's your girl Yammi, and we are about to get on the iDrive trolley, and we're going to take it from Vineland Premium Outlets all the way down to International Premium Outlets. iRide? iDrive.
iRide trolley.
Okay. We're about to get on the iRide trolley, not iDrive trolley. Even though it does go up and down iDrive. It's iRide trolley. And they operate from 8 in the morning till 10:30 at night, 7 days a week. And you can buy an unlimited pass for the day for $6. Or it's $2 per trip. Unless you're over 65, then it's only $0.25 per trip. That's the cheapest way to go. So once you get 65, it's cheaper. Yay! If you go on the website for the iRide trolley, there's discounts on there. So here, I'll show you what kind of discounts they have. So if you're anything like me, you would want to come and take a Uber, cab, bus over to Vineland Premium Outlets, go do your little shopping in there, and then walk outside the outlet and you'll find a bus stop. It'll be bus stop number 38. And you can jump on that bus, or trolley actually. It looks like a trolley even though it's a bus. So we'll call it trolley for the whole video, okay? Instead of a bus. So you can jump on the trolley and take it all the way down to International Premium Outlets and go to that Disney Character Warehouse store. So that's one way to hit both stores in one day. It's just takes a little longer on the trolley, but for $6 for an all-day pass, you can stop and go all you want. Because that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna find someplace along the route to get something to eat, and maybe show you guys a few other things that are on the route so you know what to look for. You ready for this ride? I am. Let's ride a trolley. The bus is also handicap accessible, so a wheelchair or scooter can get on here. Now we're pulling into SeaWorld now, so if you wanted to stop at SeaWorld, you can. Alright, I just heard it say wait. We just got off the trolley. We were on the green line trolley, and now we're going to go get on the one and transfer over to the red trolley, and that will take us up and down iDrive. So that's where we're heading to now, aren't we, Boo?
Yeah.
Yep, we just have to cross the street. It keeps telling us to wait. So we just got off the trolley on iDrive. We are
at Jamaican Court
and iDrive, which there's a Red Robin and Chewy's Mexican restaurant is right over there. There we go. So we got off there. We're going to find something to eat. Uno is over here. We haven't eaten at Uno's in a long time. So I think maybe we might go ahead and try them again.
And
or you think something else?
Well, I just spotted this. Hey, Ripley's, believe it or not, is across the street. But then this place is new.
It's
Ripley's
a mirror
Maze. I don't recall seeing that before.
No. What is this? This is Longhorn over here. I don't know. We got to really reassess our where we want to eat.
Yeah, where we want to have lunch.
So let's talk about it for a minute. So we decided that we're going to go do Uno. So here we go. There we go. That's where we're going. Hey, Boo, you excited?
Am I excited?
I got to go to the bathroom.
Oh, that's a lot of excitement.
All right, here we go. You hungry, Boo?
Yes, I am.
I am too.
Okay, congratulations, you earned the phone.
Alright, so I ordered thin crust pizza and French onion soup. Look at this soup. And the steam. Yeah, you can see the steam coming off of this. This is what you're talking about, hot soup. And Boo got a salad. A house salad with blue cheese.
Yeah, I saw that later.
And you got a pizza too, deep dish, didn't you?
I think,
you ordered
yeah,
the
deep,
dish.
yeah.
So we're going to try the thin crust and the deep dish and see which one we like better. It's still got steam coming from it. You can see the steam. Oh yeah, this is good soup. Yeah, I like this. How's your salad, Boo?
Sorry, I'm looking at TV. It's good. The blue cheese is really good. It's got a really good flavor to it.
Is it cold and crisp?
Is it cold and crisp?
Yeah, your salad.
Yeah, it's nice. It's not warm.
Chunks of cucumbers in it?
Yeah, everything's chunk. Like even like look at this. Look at that big piece. That's cheese. That's sharp or shredded cheese, but with big chunks.
Or cheddar cheese.
Yeah, it's Sargento. Yeah.
Sargento, you can sponsor us.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Soup was very good. Salad was good and fresh. So now we're just waiting on the pizza. And it's for a lunch special. It was, I think, $11.50 for a personalized pizza and a soup or a salad. So, and French onion soup was so good. I think they had cheddar and broccoli too, but that French onion was good. Now I'm eating on the crackers. Alright, pizza came, and we've already checked it out, but look at, this is the deep dish one here from Boo. Look at how deep that is. And then this was my thin crust. I got the Chicago meat, which has pepperoni. It has meatballs and sausage on it, and cheese. Oh, it's yum yum. So, I'm going to give the deep dish, I'm going to pick it up like a little piece of pizza, or a piece of pie. That's pretty good.
Tomatoes are really good and fresh.
How are you liking yours?
Tomatoes are really good and fresh. The green peppers are good.
The pepperoni is spicy.
Green peppers are really good.
Yeah. Veggies are fresh.
Fresh.
The veggies are fresh, yeah, on the deep dish. All right, we've got pizza to take home now. And I'm gonna get in a small container since we're on the bus. I'm gonna take the trolley. Trolley.
Trolley, get your effort here. Quickly, get your effort here.
Did you guys hear him? But the pizza was very good. I like the thin crust better than the thick crust. Thick crust is a little too thick.
Yeah, but I didn't even eat the crust.
I know. So you wasted half of it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
It was more robust.
More robust?
Yes.
More robust.
More robust. It was a robust little pizza. It was a busty pizza.
Alright, so we're all done eating and we're sitting outside waiting on the bus. There is a website waiting on the trolley. There is a website that I will tack down below, and it will show you where the trolleys are at, so you know about what time to expect them. Like ours, at first it said 2:50 something, and then it changed to 2:33. So we got about 10 more minutes, and there'll be a trolley coming. Not too bad. We'll wait. All right, we are back in our car. So that was a fun little trip on the trolley. Neat to be able to see things, but it's a really good thing if you come here without a car. So a trolley up and down I-Drive is an entertainment for the day. I mean, that's something fun you can do for the day. Get off, check things out, go to the next stop, and have some fun. Did you have fun, Boo?
Yes.
You did?
Yes.
What was your favorite part of it?
The trolley.
The first driver we had, she was really, really nice. She explained things and told me things, you know. So I learned a little bit from her, like the green line, where the green line goes. So whatever you do, you want to get on the red line. The red line is one that will take you up and down I-Drive. So look for the red line trolley.
It takes you to SeaWorld. It takes you to Aquatica.
Yes, it takes you to Aquatica, yes. So you can always take the trolley if you're staying at one of the resorts or hotels on I-Drive. Get on that trolley, get you right to SeaWorld or Aquatica. And then you can also get off at, if you want to go to Universal, you can get off there by their dockside and surfside hotels. Get off there and catch a Universal bus from that hotel to Universal. So it's a way that you could get around if you need to. So if you want to go to Universal, you could get off there by their dockside and surfside hotels. Get off there and catch a Universal bus from that hotel to Universal. So it's a way that you could get around if you need to. So, but go on their website. I'll link that website down below so you can click on their site, check them out, and see where all you can go.
They tore something down over there.
Yep, so. Alright, tell me, what was your favorite part of the trolley ride? Was it just being on the trolley?
Next stop.
Yeah, I like that next stop.
24. Next
So
stop.
it goes from number 38 is the closest to Vineland. So just remember, you want exit 30 or stop 38 if you want to go into Vineland to the Disney Character Warehouse store, which I will be going there tomorrow. So, all right, guys, we are heading on home to go see the Obes, and we're gonna call it a night. As always, thank you for being here, and we love you all. Bye.